teach you how to write a book for Amazon and sell it with just an AI. So the first step you are going to do is you go to your Google Play Store. You go there, you search for the app that you want to use, which is a common app that many people are able to know today to do everything that you need. So you search for ChatGPT. It has before we use app, but we use a website, but now the app will make it easy for you to ChatGPT. So if you have never downloaded it before, the one I'm using, I've downloaded it. So sometimes it will prompt us for upgrading. So now there's a difference between the app and the website. In the app, in using the app, it will be easy for you to copy your text. But if it is a website, what you are going to do, it is just you are going to be highlighting. So but with the upgrade of this app, it has helped as much as possible to actualize a dreams that you want. I've registered before. If you have never registered, you have to sign up for ChatGPT. So after that, you're able to start chatting. So we are waiting for the update because I've used it for a little time. So now it has finished. So this is the page that we want to use for the ChatGPT. We have ChatGPT 3.5. This is a very wonderful uh a very wonderful page. So the first thing you are going to say is this. You said in the ChatGPT that give me uh Amazon Amazon topic, Amazon ebook topic on, let's talk about marriage. So give me two. Let's just be two topics. I'll be okay with two topics, two Amazon ebook topics. So you are going to select. This is even the ChatGPT will give. So you send. So it is rolling. So you're able to see navigating communication in marriage, a guide to strengthen your connection. Two, marriage resilience, building a strong foundation for lasting love. So you can able to pick any of these topic. So any of these topic will surely be useful for you. So now you don't need to give yourself stress. Just tell the ChatGPT, give me table of contents for, let's have with one or two. Let's say one. Give me table of contents. Table of contents. Table of content for one. Give me table of content for one. So therefore you said send. It will write out all the table of content. You're able to see he has arranged it. It is now you. So this is a table introduction. You are going to introduce the importance of communication in marriage. Two, overview of the book. That is for chapter 1. For chapter 2, we have understanding communication style. 1, identify your communication style. That is A. B, recognizing your partner communication style. C, common challenge in communication. So you are be able to, we are now going to be writing books on this one by one. So let me read each one by one. So I will not take much of your time. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm only trying to make it shorten, so to make it easy. So On the number chapter 3, we give you effective communication techniques, active listening, expressing yourself clearly, non-verbal communication, navigating difficult conversation, A, dealing with conflicts constructively. B, strategy for managing emotions. Find the common ground. So chapter 5, building emotional connection. So you are A, cultivating empathy. B, sharing vulnerability. C, celebrating success together. Number 6, communication and intimacy. A, connecting on a deeper level. B, discussing intimate needs and desire. So now every one by one of these, let's now start. You said write a full note. Write so as you are doing it, you'll be copying it to your notes. Now, this is what I'm trying to say now, that it is easy for this. You see, I just click copy, it copy immediately. So I go back to my notes. I go back to my to my notes we will be using. So let me have another note. So we have this text. I copy it to this place. I paste. You're able to see one by one. So now this is introduction. So really we are still going to paraphrase this with our AI like Qbots and any of the, but I'm using Qbots. That is the one I'm using, the premium stage. So we are still going to paraphrase any of the. We are going to watch one of my videos that will talk about the app that you can use for paraphrasing. So with this, you are still going to paraphrase all this, but let's use it to get our materials out. So you go back now. In the introduction, write this is a full topic. Write out the introduction for, now you know the introduction is A and B, for A and B and B. So write out the introduction for A and B. Write out the full, write out in full, put in full, so it will explain it better. Write out in full and well explained, so to give you more weight. Well explain well explain the introduction for A and B. Now let's see. So now I will able to show you, be able to see now. So he has started the introduction for you. So each of these you are going to paraphrase. So it will make your book to be original. But before paraphrasing, firstly get the content. Firstly get the content from it before paraphrasing. So he said, importance of communication in marriage. Effective communication serves as the cornerstone of a thriving and resilient marriage. In this section, we delve into the profound impact that communication has on the dynamics of a marriage relationship. From the exchange of daily thought to navigate significant life decisions, communication lays the foundation for understanding, connections, and intimacy. We explored how a lack of communication or misunderstanding can lead to challenges and conflict within a marriage. Recognizing the vital role that communication plays set the stage for the strategies and techniques. So you're able to see, you just click only, you don't need to highlight. This is the advantage of using the app. You copy. So when you copy directly, so you come to your notes again, you come down, so you come down, you press paste, you paste it here, you're able to see overview the book. However, we provide reader with a roadmap for the journey ahead. Offering a brief overview of each chapter, we outline the key terms and the topic that we explore, from understanding different communication styles to navigate difficult conversations and foster emotional intimacy. This book is designed to be a comprehensive guide for individuals seeking to enhance their communication skill within the context of marriage, whether you are newlyweds or have been together for decades. This book aims to offer valuable insights and practical tools to strengthen the bond you share with your partner. So you're able to see, I've said it early. So these are the table of content that we are going to be doing one by one. So for the second one, again, for you to know how perfect the ChatGPT will help you to get your content and sell in Amazon with original content that will make you to become a millionaire. So now, understanding communication. You don't need to write anything. Just write, write out in full. In full, the two. Write out in full the two for in full for A and B. So write out two. You're able to signify the two for A, B. Let me put this is comma A, B, and C. So and C. So it will write it for you. So you're able to see that I did not write understanding communication style. I only write two. So ChatGPT is, these are the prompts that you need to know. So all these prompts, you're able to see. Let's check it again. You see the two, understanding communication style, A, B, and C. So see what we wrote. He said two. I just write out in full the two for A, B, and C. Understanding communication style. A, identify your communication style. In this section, we guide reader through and explorations of their own communication tendencies by recognizing and understanding individual communication. So these are a concept that you just need to understand in writing your content. So now let's just go to conclusion, not to make this video not too long. So you write out the conclusion. Just write, you can write it in that form. Write out the conclusion. Write out the conclusion in full for write out in conclusion for A, B. Let's say maybe to have C, encouraging for builder a stronger marriage through. So A and B for A and B. So write out conclusion in full for A and B. So let's see. So I'm expecting you to have, so you don't use your own digression to find the same procedure if you follow it back to back. So conclusion, recaps of key communication strategy. As we conclude this journey through the intricacies of the communication in marriage, we take a moment to recap the key strategies and insights presented throughout the book, from active listening and expressing emotion. So encouraging for building a stronger marriage through communication. So this is how you are. Imagine all this will even give you more than 500 pages of your book in Amazon book. So with this, you're able to write your books in Amazon and publish it and making your money conveniently. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of this video, for you to be able to make money online. So thanks for taking your time to gain these full lectures.